Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Peak Beginner using the easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the core rules and objectives of the game. This foundational knowledge is crucial for making informed decisions. Next, concentrate on mastering one or two straightforward strategies rather than overwhelming yourself with complex tactics. This approach helps build confidence and provides a clear path to early success. Remember, consistent practice is key to solidifying your skills and progressing effectively. To master the core strategies, always prioritize efficient resource management. This ensures you have the necessary assets to execute your plans without interruption. Learn to quickly identify and exploit any weaknesses your opponents might present, turning their disadvantages into your opportunities. Furthermore, remain flexible and adapt your strategy as the game evolves. Being able to pivot based on the game's flow and your opponent's moves is a significant advantage for any beginner. Many beginners make common mistakes, but you can avoid them. First, resist the urge to overcommit all your resources to a single, high-risk play. Balanced allocation is far more effective. Second, never neglect your defensive measures in favor of purely aggressive attacks. A strong defense often sets up winning opportunities. Finally, view every loss as a valuable learning experience. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and apply those lessons to improve your gameplay significantly. To truly elevate your beginner play, start by observing and studying more experienced players. Pay close attention to their decision-making processes and how they react to different situations. Engaging with online communities can also provide invaluable tips and foster collaborative learning, helping you grow faster. And hey, while you're leveling up your game, why not level up your kitchen too? Check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Remember, continuous learning and practice are your best tools for success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.